Alright, what up good people and you bad people too? This is me, the MATTWOODS, and this is
John D from YL. What's good?
Everything is good, especially this wood that you about to hook up. I know you how many projects have you put together regarding, like, you know, carpentry type stuff?
One that I recall, just one.
Okay, so yeah, so you're a newbie at this, and that's what this video is all about. And I didn't even know the answer to that, y'all. I just know a lot of people his age, and you are what, 26? 27. A lot of people haven't, you know, that age haven't dealt with the wood shop much. So that's a problem that we want to try to solve. So anywho, what you're gonna do, alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna match it up just like you see that over there. So go ahead and lay it out just like it's a puzzle, because then once all the pieces are lined up and stacked up like it's supposed to, then you can go ahead and screw it in. All right, look like I'm right on time. What do you think?
My OCD's triggering off because of this one.
So that means you're not happy, or you happy, or what?
It's like I'm happy with most of it. It's just one piece. This one was shorter than I thought, so it's got to lean.
I'm sorry, because when it's on the ground in the dirt, it won't lean. But it looks good. This is your second project. Yeah, so we have to. I didn't cut out the bottom, but that's what this wood is for. I was more so concerned with this part here, but no, you did a excellent job, man.